Are you hurt?
People need to know that the shaking is not over. We'll get hit again. And it's going to be a bigger monster.
I've been for a walk.
Oh my God.
The Earth will literally crack open. And you will feel it on the East Coast.
I love you, Dad.
I cannot emphasize this enough. You need to get out, and I mean now. If you can't, God be with you.